Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kahit wala akong new subscriber. But thank you, thank you. Si hindi pala siya nag-subscribe. Nag-chat lang, but it's okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you. And yesterday, she has play for art. That one she do. This one is the stuff what she's doing. Yan dyan. Look. Ako, patay. Tiwas putol to. Ganon. Diba? Yan yun. Diba? Yun yung art niya kahapon. Yun yung home activities ni Sisi dito. Kasi na, stop na siya sa summer school. Ito yung kurumi. Nakano siya ng parang book na house sa loob yata. Yan. Diyan. Yan. Nilagay niya itong mga sticker. Ito. Nakadikit dyan kaso nahulog. Nahulog ko. Yun yung mga activities niya dito sa loob. Dito sa bahay. So, pagbaba. Tapos manood ng iPad, cellphone. Yun na yung problema talaga pag children that they have only stay in the house. That's what they're doing. Cellphone, iPad, TV, yun, almost whole day yan. What they're doing. Okay, sometimes I don't like, I don't know, for me only, just for me, I don't like that, the children that, especially those mga families or those mga madam or sir that they have money, they can pay to spend money to pay their children to attend or to have a class activities, especially in summer. They have a lot there, swimming, except sa mga families that their financial support is just enough only. And some of them also, they can make activities to help to their parents for the work or to farm or what they have only. Than to watch whole the day of the iPad, cellphone, and TV without learning kasi yan. Some they can learn if you are watching in the mga dancing like that one, mga exercise, mga jumbo. But if they are watching some games also, there is games that they can learn money in the cellphone. It depends, but for me talaga, children, it must be aware always in the cellphone and the iPad because of their health, especially in their eyes. But some parents, they just ignore, they don't care. Oh, that's why. Not all parents, but some of them. Okay, they just considering their children like that one. And they are not thinking to suffer the health of their children, that they are still growing up. It's okay of them that they are whole that they almost are using cell phone or what else because they're already adult. Okay, their age will become older and older na. They will become grandma or grandpa, like that one. But how about the children? Haram. I don't know. That is only my own opinion for me. Okay. So this one, that is the box. Ayan, for the play. For the art of CC. It's okay na if they in the house, they can make more activities. You see. But some of them that they are only this one, they make art. Ayan. Yan yung mga ano nito. Mga including materials for this paint art. Okay. That is yesterday should be ito. Okay. So thank you again. Thank you for watching. More blessings at all, and God bless. More power. This activities yesterday. Okay. So thank you again. Happy Tuesday to all of us. Bye bye to all some bloggers that you're still helping to me, and some bloggers also that you're already in the good standing in your own social medias, in the different social medias also. Good luck, and you're very lucky, and as also we will become. I don't think so. It depends on the rolling system of what we do in our mga beginning blogger, because not all beginning blogger that the same activities or the same style, but them all of them also that are lucky. But for me, just continue what I do every day of my beginning blogger that I have. But I'm very glad and I'm very thankful that you're still helping, from the 1 subscriber until now subscriber that I have, supporters and viewers. Thank you so much talaga, and God knows provide everything whatever we need, and to the all people in this world, to belong in the different countries that you are watching in the different social media that we have. Thank you staff of the YouTube company. Thank you, and the YouTube founder. Thank you so much for giving also to hard work. Not them only, but all of us, all of companies, all people that were belong in these countries, that were still alive in this earth. Okay. Thank you very much, and to the family of my employer, to my madam, the family of madam, the family of sir, and to Sisi and their future new coming soon pa pala baby. Okay, so thank you talaga for more blessings at all, and to all families on both sides of my nanay and tatay, in my hometown, and my brother. Good luck, and all nieces that I have, good luck, and all angkan. Thank you. At saka alam nyo kung nasaan at who they are and who you are and wherever we are. Okay, so bye-bye, and God bless us all, and happy Tuesday. Thank you. Ewan ko, hindi mo naman ito mabasa kung anong pangalan nito. Kasi, Chinese. Ang Chinese talaga, in their countries, there are more what's that. Okay, yala, bye-bye.